All right, let's get started with our review. Here we go. Here's number one. These 5 frames show a shape's different positions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Describe how the shape moves to get it from its position in each frame to the next. Select the correct choice from the dropdown. Okay, so to get from position 1 to position 2, the shape does what? So here we are with shape 1 or frame 1, and then here's frame 2. Well, it's still going in the same direction. The only thing is that it starts out in the lower left corner and now it's in the upper left corner over here on 2. So what it does is it moves up. From position 2 to 3, well, here we go. It's in the upper left. Now it stays in the upper left. However, it's not facing the same direction. And if I look, it is not a reflection, but it looks like it is a turn, a rotation. And it's 180 degrees because it goes this direction to this direction. To go from position 3 to 4, okay, well, it's here in the upper left, and then in 4, it's in the upper right. So the shape moves to the right. To get from position 4 to position 5, well, the shape does stay in the upper right corner. However, now it's facing in a different direction. Okay, so it did not reflect, it did rotate. Looks like it's clockwise, and it would be 90 degrees clockwise. So how did we do? There it is. Woohoo! Moving to number 2. Each of the 6 cards show a shape. Drag and drop each card in the correct box. Okay, so which pair of cards shows a shape and its image after a rotation? A rotation. Okay. So it is not 1 and 5 because the shape is still facing the same direction. Okay. And you can see 3 and 4, but I don't think it's 3 and 4 because that looks more like a reflection. But here, number 2, it kind of looks like a tape dispenser. Yeah, that is a rotation. So that would be 2 and 6. Okay. Which pair of cards shows a shape and its image after a reflection? Okay, so we know 2 and 6 are rotation. 1 and 5, they're facing the same direction, so that's not going to be it. And I've already thought that 3 and 4 look like a reflection. If you put the 2 of them together, they would be symmetric. So that would be 3 and 4. Oh, there we go. Yay! Number 3. Here are 3 pairs of figures. Drag and drop the correct choice to answer each question. Which transformation takes figure A to figure B in pair 1? So here's pair 1. I've got the translation, reflection, or rotation. And just for my own sake, I'm remembering that a translation means slide, so up or down, side to side. A reflection is a flip. It's a mirror image. If I could fold it along that line of symmetry or the line of reflection, the shapes would match up point for point. And then a rotation is a turn. It's a turn. Okay. So which transformation takes figure A to figure B? Kind of looks like a spaceship, but that is a reflection. Okay. If I could fold right here along this line, shape A and shape B would match up exactly. Which transformation takes figure A to figure B in pair 2? Okay, well, figure A and figure B, they're facing the exact same direction. So it looks like they have just slid to the right and then down. A slide is a translation. Pair 3 to get from A to B It's not a reflection because if we use this line right here as the line of reflection, it's not going to match up exactly. And it's not a translation because I can't get it to slide and then land exactly on figure B. But now I'm thinking about it, if I turned figure A and made this my point of rotation, center of rotation, then I would land on figure B. And there we go.